This is a super impromptu video encouraged by that little logo lady from her Pad and Pencil Society. If you don't know that little logo lady, her name is Morgan, and she has been teaching anybody who wants to join her group how to use Procreate. So I made this sticker with Procreate, which is a very new skill that I've been learning, and I'm still very much a newbie, so I'm not even going to attempt to show you how I created this sticker. But what I do want to show you today is how I printed and laminated my stickers. So last night, Morgan showed everybody in her Pad and Pencil Society group how to laminate stickers using contact paper. And I don't have contact paper. So, and I've made stickers before. I'll link the videos. I actually have a video on YouTube showing you how I typically make my stickers. So same thing with these stickers. The only difference is I created them on Procreate. But this laminating thing with stickers is new to me. So normally I make stickers just to put straight onto the tumbler. They're matte white stickers. And then I'll put epoxy over the top of my tumblers and you don't have to worry about shine or anything. These stickers that I'm making are for my first grade students. So I need to be able to have something to put on them that they'll stay nice and shiny and they won't get ruined and the students can put them on their hands or paper or whatever. So I'm trying out the stickers with the supplies I had on hand last night because I was not prepared for Morgan's tutorial as usual. So I am using Cricut. This is called, the white paper is Cricut sticker paper, and I don't use this paper very much because it's very thick, but I thought, why not try it? So I'm using Cricut sticker paper, and then over the top of it I am using a laminate. It's not called a laminate, it's just a clear printable vinyl, and I'll link that below. I don't know how to say the brand name, but I'll link it below. And this printable clear vinyl that I applied over the Cricut sticker paper came out very filmy, so you can see it on the left compared to a sheet on the right. The sheet on the right, instead of laminating it with that clear vinyl, I used Oracal 651 clear vinyl instead. And so the Oracal 651 clear vinyl was much more clear than the first laminate that I used, but the sticker paper still printed out very foggy. And so I'm not a fan of this Cricut sticker paper, so I'll link it below, but I would not recommend to make stickers that have a lot of color in them. If you're just going to use black and white, I guess that would be just fine. But the Oracal 651 clear vinyl looked great over the top of the stickers. It didn't skew the color, the shades, or anything like that. So I'm putting a smiley face for the Oracal clear vinyl only. Not a fan of the sticker paper. So then I decided to, see, I'm going to show you how thick this sticker paper is here before I move on to the next vinyl. So when you peel off the backing, it's like, it almost feels like cardstock is what it feels like. And so for me, that's too thick to put on my tumblers because you're gonna need probably more than one coat of epoxy for such a thick sticker. So now I'm using Oracal 651 printable vinyl, and that was a no-go because I have an inkjet printer and it didn't work. But when I put it through my black and white laser printer, the vinyl came out great. So for my inkjet printer, it didn't work. I don't have a color laser printer. If you have a color laser printer, that sticker paper will work great for you. So this last sticker paper I'm using is just a generic, it's not actually called sticker paper, it's called printable vinyl sticker paper, and it's very thin, and the color came out beautifully. So this paper picked up all the colors of my sticker that I made in Procreate. Now, clearly, Oracal 651 clear vinyl is not removable. accidentally stuck it down crooked, tried to lift it up, and it didn't work. So if you're using contact paper, I know contact paper, you know, you can remove a little bit easier if you make a mistake. So I went ahead and I stuck it on there anyway because I'm just experimenting, and those stickers came out really nice. So the Oracal 651 clear vinyl over the top of my printable matte vinyl sticker paper came out really pretty. So here I'm comparing the one on the right that has the thin sticker paper, the vinyl sticker paper, to the one on the left that just has the Cricut sticker paper. So the one on the right came out really clear. So Oracal 651 with this off-brand matte vinyl sticker paper is a win. That one worked really good. So the next time I'm going to try, because I've heard you could do it, is put your sticker paper through a heated laminator machine. I've had a laminator machine for my classroom for years and years and years, and I don't use it very often. So I went ahead and I brought it home, and I am going to put my sticker paper into the pocket. So it's a laminating pocket. It has two sides, and I'm going to feed it through my laminating machine. This laminating pocket is 3 mils thick. I do have the 5 mil thickness sheets also, but those will be too thick for a sticker. So I'm just trimming this paper to 8.5 by 11 inches to fit right into that pocket. And when my ready light turns on, I am going to flip it upside down so that the folded edge of the pocket feeds into my laminator, and I'm just gonna wait for it to move through in real time. So I'm not speeding this up so that you can see how fast the sheet feeds through. Yes, it is very slow. This is a cheaper machine. I'm sure you could get some, you know, that are a lot more expensive maybe, that work faster and maybe are hotter, but this is what I have to work with, and it works great for things that I'm doing for the classroom. So you just wait till it feeds through, and then I am going to put it onto my Cricut cutting mat one more time, send it through the Cricut machine, and then cut it, and then I'll show you what that looks like after it is cut. So I did have an issue with it cutting. My Cricut machine did not read the sensor lines correctly. So right here I'm showing, you can see how far out of the circle the Cricut cut. So what I had to do, and I didn't know if this was going to work, luckily it did, I had to use a Sharpie just to go around the corners, because I knew the machine didn't need all of the lines to read. I mean, I don't think it does. So I've seen people just have corners on their paper. So I went ahead and just outlined all 4 corners, and then I fed it through the machine again. And luckily that time my Cricut was able to read those marks, and it cut it out perfectly. So the laminating paper, it's either the laminating pockets, it's either the sheen or the thickness. I'm not sure why my Cricut didn't want to read those lines through the pockets, but so next time I know I'll just have to draw those lines before I try to send it through the machine. So these cut out nice. The top 3 are the ones that got messed up, so I'm going to have to discard those, but these cut out really nice, and they compare with the other ones that I printed on the thinner printable vinyl with Oracal 651. The color remained intact and nothing got foggy and messed up. So so both of these methods I think will work great. So if you have the Oracal 651, or if you want to use contact paper like Morgan showed us how to do, I just didn't have any contact paper, then your color will probably not fade or get foggy. So this was a fun experiment, and now I know not to use the thick sticker paper, use the thinner vinyl printable sticker paper, and then either Oracal 651 or I can use laminated pockets if I have them. So I hope that I was able to show you something. Morgan, thank you so much for showing us how to make these on Procreate and to use contact paper. My contact paper is on its way, so I'll definitely be making some with contact paper also. And I will link Morgan's group below for the Pad and Pencil Society and any products that I used in this video. And let me know if you have any questions or comments. And thank you so much for watching.